Pleasant good afternoon to everyone. I would like to extend my warm thanks for all the time you have given to us to celebrate this Thanksgiving party of our Peruvian. And I hope that you guys salubungin natin with all the positivity itong year 2025.
Nakikita niyo yung poste? Yung poste na yan, hindi yan magiging matibay, hindi magiging matatag, hindi tatagal kung walang bakal sa loob. Yung bakal na yon, kayo yon guys. Magmula sa mga managers hanggang sa mga coordinator, kayo yung nagpapatatag sa Rubian.
Ikaw, malinis ba yan?
This is our time. We're feeling so alive. The stars, they all ignite for you and I. This is our time. Wow.
Nasa inyo pong harapan ang sirena ng RP Rubian na hindi pahuhuli, kundi malilate lang.
And I believe in you and me. This is our time. We're feeling so alive. The stars, they all ignite for you and I. This is our time. Together we're wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. And I believe this is our time.
Just continue to being enthusiastic, hardworking, with full dedication and loyalty towards your work. Mahalin yung Rubian kasi naririto ang ating pag-asa. Lahat kayo, I really thank your support, your effort that has been given. Equally, lahat tayo naging part ng success ng Rubian.
For you and I. This is
Boss Margie, 15:30 ka ba? Naaalala kita pagsahod.
to be. And I believe this is our time.
So let's cheers for more years, more successful years to come.